All right, guys, I forgot to do TA of Algo, and I promised to do it during the live stream. I remember saying I'm gonna do Algo next, and then I didn't do it. And some people posted some comments, being sad that I didn't do it. Well, apologies, I forgot. So I'm gonna do it now. This is basically the weekly time frame. This is the current state of Algo, and you can see on the weekly in here we have this flag. Is a channel, and it's got this height from bottom to top, including the height of the price. And if we place it like here, if it broke out from here, it could get us into 70 cents. And we also have a longer projection from here, but I need to adapt the Fibonacci. So that gives me the one. The one level is more or less that is the high of the previous one. But if we do a golden pocket, we can adjust these levels, and then that takes you to $1. So $1 is if we hit golden pocket. For that, we need the market to recover. And if we are just, in the middle of this kind of shit storm at the moment with the geopolitical and all the tensions, international, macroeconomy, then forget about those targets, and then we need to find some other targets. But you can see in here that on the weekly, RSI is right at support. And that relative to the rest of the coins in the market, there are very few that after having had a huge move up have come back down and just retest support. Solana is a disaster, Ethereum is a disaster. All of them came back and they went way beyond that support. They lost 2, 3, 4 layers down. So Algo, relatively to the rest, is very strong. That all at the same time, we have had a period where this indicator, the delta longs versus shorts, called the actual top in here with the second band. That was a excessive amount of longs that spiked from this channel. Initially was going slowly, and then eventually went to 82. From 82, we have reduced the number of longs to 43. So that's around half of them are gone, and we broke down from this trend line of support. So anywhere between where we are, 44, the more longs that we lose, or the more shorts we have, and the closer we get to this line, is an more interesting area of value for adding into Algo. Although I have to say, getting too low into this area, that takes you back into bear market. So I wouldn't want to see that we get into 2023. Well, although that wasn't bear market actually. In bear market, we were at 37. So this has reduced a lot. In July, we had a huge flash on Algo. It's interesting. What happened here? Okay, so Algo didn't bottom in the bear market in 2022. It's actually bottom in 2023, which makes it very interesting. That level of support in here, let's see if I can add a horizontal line there. So that level of support comes from the 2023 bottom, not from the bear market bottom. And we have gone beyond April 2024, so that's great. There is a channel going in this way. Let's see if I can add a trend line in here. I think if I connect these two, these three, I can get into something like this. So that is an interesting point, but I'm not sure if the timing, this timing is just too far away. So I think if we want to get to the 1618, if we want to do it this cycle, we need to do it somewhere between where we are and before the end of 2025. Let's see, Algo. When did we top? We top in November 2021. So that's equivalent to November this year. I'm not saying that we need to have the perfect same timing, but sorry, November 2025. Yeah, okay, so around here in the line. And if you meet with the white line there, you're only getting to the extension of 1. So we need a lot of more momentum coming back into algo to catch up and even get to the 161A. And that is assuming that we get a diminishing return relative to the previous cycle. If we actually want a new all-time high, then we need to use this Fibonacci extension and get beyond the 1618 of the full extension towards the 2023 bottom. That's not the bear market, it's beyond that. And the one extension gets you into $3. That top is 4.8, but we have very little time, very little time. So let's see, for example, when we were here, we were in August 2020. How long did it take for algo to get to $3? It took around a year and a half. If we now do a year and a half from where we are to get to that target, we are in March. So that's March next year plus half a year. That puts you by the end of 2026. We are supposed to be in bear market at that point. And that's just giving you an idea of what to expect in these conditions for the market. Guys, if you like this video, this update on algo, just a quick TA, write down a comment down below, hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.